beating mine. Been up all night, but the river don't care. Sun's barely rising, diesel in the air. Still dead cold and the coffee's gone. But we keep pushing up river strong. This old boat don't ever get rest. Neither do the folks who give it their best. We're running 24/7, that's the life we lead. Sleep comes later, right now this river needs hands that don't quit, hearts built from grit. Living on the edge of tide, but we ain't stopping yet. Yeah, we'll rest when we're dead. For now, keep the tow line tight instead. Pilot house glow in the breaking dawn. Captain says the river keeps moving on. Pushing through